brought the little girl to meet some goats since we've been doing so well with all the other animals. Hey? Alfie! These are the pygmy goats. Alfie! Alfie! Come here! Good girl, Callie. Hey, Babaloo. Hi, Babaloo. Come on, Callie. Look, she's come to see you. Look at that tail. Now, where to put Brussels sprouts? I have no room. So my lettuce got eaten, so I've taken it out and I've planted it for the ducks to yam on. Lulu, is that cosy? Dave has finally come off her nest. She hasn't left her nest since Melman actually. Actually, she hasn't even left, since Melman. So she's finally got up to eat with Delilah and Daffy. So let's quickly have a little look at how her eggs are doing. Oh, she's got loads more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. That goose is going to be a bit lonely. I think we're going to have to go to the farm shop and rescue 2 little eggs that are meant to be someone's dinner and see if we can slide them in. So this ginormous mint I'm going to trim today because I want it for my pesticide spray. I'm going to mix mint with a couple other bits like garlic and a little bit of dish soap and some water. Boil it up because I am getting ants all over my garden. They're eating everything. It's been 2 days, everything's been down and it's already got holes in it. So I'm going to show you guys how to make a spray to keep certain bugs from eating your normal size mints. And then the ginormous mint. What is this jumbo mint? Seriously. Morning, kids. Daffy and Delilah are being so kind. They're being really good. I just saw them all having a little nap together. Hey Delilah, you've been a good girl. Thank you. It looks like I spoke too soon and she's about to be a bitch. Should we have a little look, see what she does? I'm watching you, girl. I see you. Be nice. Jack! Jack! Yeah, you! Come here, Jack! Good boy! Jack! Oh, so close! I'm trying to teach them their names. And as usual, little Lulu's left to the back. Bless her socks. Oh my God, she's so sweet. She's such a lady. Daffy! Duff Star! Delilah, are you bullying them? You bully them out of the pond, then you bully them into the pond. In the middle of cleaning out the ducky and bunny houses, so I've let the bunnies come outside for a sec. They've had a little play. Callie really wants to eat them. No, I don't think she wants to eat them. I think she just finds them like mad interesting. Alright, halfway through cleaning in here, just got to fill that up and then we're done. Put some fresh sawdust down. Everyone's happy today because the bunnies are out to play and they never get a chance to be this close. The bunnies! If you watch really closely, you can see Callie vibrating You're shaking, Callie. She's like, gimme, 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 gimme. Callie, control yourself. So I've been out all afternoon and I just felt really bad for the duckies. So I'm giving them a midnight swim. We've blocked it off so they can't adventure. Daffy and Delilah are a bit jealous. Look at you guys out in the night time. So this one's addicted to the bunnies. Stop eating their food. Honestly, these dogs eat more of the ducklings' food than the ducklings eat. It can't be good for you guys. These lot are like, please let us go in the pond. Morning. Did you just wake up? Morning. Mwah. I love you. Night night. What are you guys doing in here? I've just got home. I literally popped it like next door. I left the back door open. Ow. And I found you in my house. What are you doing? Callie, don't scare them with that bloody bone. Lulu, you're always last out. It's so cute how they can jump that step. Hello, fatty bum bum. Hello. You really want to see the bunnies? Fine. What are you guys doing here? Morning, bunnies. What have you made? Such a mess of your bedrooms. Look at what you've done. Morning, little boy. Hi. Hey, Harvey. Hey, Hugo. Dave. I love how she runs. Hey, baby. Dave. Hi. You being nice to my babies. Thank you. Delilah. Delilah's still kind of learning her name. Now and again she knows. Dave knows her name. Don't you, Dave? Dave! Dave! Hello, baby girl. Taking a little delivery today. Oh, what are you doing? Get off of there. Taking this little delivery of Brussels sprouts, a couple parsnips, cabbage, cauliflower.